fast. Oh, there we go. Here we go.
Out, you know, on YouTube. Yeah. 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 I see quite a few other ones on there from up in Merida. Yeah, I'll do I got a half a dozen, 10 of them for the ice thing too, so.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Not going
snowmobile on your radiator cap there.
Yeah, that's ain't that. Down that snowmobile, I think he was heavy.
Yeah.
And he made that stockboard out of stainless steel and screwed it onto the top.
Yeah, it looks pretty neat.
That's the only modern part of it.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Probably could widen it out for 2. He's having a tire, he's got to get enough rope on the back here, he's spinning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Notice him try to go up this hill a couple, 3 times, he had to keep backing down. Like that.
Here I come, with you!
Hey, we made it. Jump right up in front there. Go for it.